Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a payment on Freshbooks. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have sent an invoice but received a cash payment, for example. So go ahead and watch this video all the way up until the end to learn how to actually add a payment on Freshbooks. So first we're going to go onto our Freshbooks account, and then on the left-hand side, what I've noticed is that you do have to actually have an invoice in order to add a payment on Freshbooks. So we're going to go ahead and first create an invoice just really quickly. And so click on new invoice. We'll say this is for next gen marketing, and we're going to say that he's paying for rocks, which is $10. And then let's go ahead and actually save or send this invoice. We're going to click on save this invoice. Now, if we go back and on the left-hand side, click on payments, if you scroll down, it looks like we don't see the invoice just yet. So what we're actually going to do is actually send that next gen invoice. So we'll click on the invoice, then click on more actions, and then click on add a payment. So what I've noticed is that you actually do need to create an invoice in order to add a payment. So if you try adding a payment without an invoice, this is what it's going to look like. You're going to click on this plus icon, and then you need to actually attach your payment to an invoice. So let's actually go ahead and create a draft invoice first. So on the left hand side, click on invoices, then click on new invoice. And then we're going to pretend that we're billing Peak Performance LLC, and we're going to say that we gave him video editing services. And so you could actually save this as a draft. So once you save it, you want to scroll down and find that invoice that you just drafted. So this is that invoice that we just drafted for Peak Performance. You're going to go ahead and click on this invoice, and then it's going to go ahead and actually populate like this here. Click on more actions, and then click on add a payment. So the payment amount is the amount that this invoice is for. So we're going to say that we received cash, and then click on add payment. Now, once you do that, under your payments tab on the left hand side, you're going to be able to see that the payment has been recorded. So here's the next gen cash payment that I received for $10. So that's the best way I found in order to actually add a payment on Freshbooks. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.